If you're building a character in Blender, one of the first things you need is a clean reference setup. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import multi-sided reference images in Blender the easy way, so you can line up your front, side, and back views properly and start modeling with confidence. This is especially useful for character modeling, hard surface workflows, and any project where accuracy matters. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Blender tips and tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Blender and get into your scene. Before adding anything, it helps to make sure you know which direction you want your model to face. Usually, the front reference goes on the front axis, the side reference goes on the side axis, and the back reference goes behind the model, so you can check proportions from every angle. To add your first reference image, press Shift+A on your keyboard. This opens the Add menu. From there, go to Image and then choose Reference. Blender will let you browse for an image file from your computer. Select your front view image and load it into the scene. Once the image appears, it may not be facing exactly the way you need it to. That's okay. Press N to open the side panel, then go to the Item tab. In this panel, you can manually adjust the rotation values. If your image needs to face the front view properly, set the rotation on the X, Y, or Z axis as needed until it is aligned the way you want. Now let's add the side reference. Again, press Shift+A, choose Image, and then Reference. Load your side view image into the scene. This time, you'll want to rotate it 90 degrees on the Z-axis so it sits correctly from the side. You can do this either by using the Rotation tool or by entering the value directly in the Item panel. Rotating it precisely is important because it helps keep the proportions accurate while you model. Next, add your back image the same way. Press Shift+A, go to Image, then Reference, and load the back view. Rotate it accordingly so it faces the right direction for the back side of your character. Depending on your setup, you may need to rotate it 180 degrees so it matches the rear orientation correctly. At this point, you have all three key reference angles in your Blender scene, but the job is not done yet. The most important part is aligning them properly. If your images are not the same height or scale, your model will end up proportionally wrong. So take a little time here to make everything match. Use numpad 1 to jump to the front view. This makes it much easier to position your front reference accurately. Then use G to move the image and S to scale it. Position it so the head, shoulders, torso, and feet all line up with your intended model space. The goal is to make sure the reference sits in a useful position without blocking your workflow. Then press numpad 3 to switch to the side view. Check your side reference and make sure it matches the same overall height as the front image. This is where many beginners make mistakes, because if one image is slightly larger or smaller, the entire model can become unbalanced. Use G to move it and S to scale it until it lines up perfectly with the front view. Now compare the back reference as well. It should sit at the same scale and height as the other two images. If needed, go into orthographic views and make small adjustments until all of the references are consistent. The cleaner your setup is now, the easier the modeling process will be later. A really helpful tip is to keep your reference images slightly transparent if needed, so they don't overpower your viewport. That way you can see your mesh clearly, while still following the character silhouette and proportions. You can also keep the references locked in place once you're happy with the placement so you don't accidentally move them while modeling. So, to quickly recap the process, press Shift+A, add an image reference, load your front image, rotate it using the item panel if needed, repeat the process for the side image and rotate it 90 degrees on the Z-axis, then add the back image and rotate it to match. After that, use numpad 1 and 3 to check placement and use G and S to move and scale each reference until they match in height and proportion. And that's how you import multi-sided reference images in Blender for a clean character reference setup. This simple workflow will save you time and make your modeling much more accurate from the very beginning. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Blender tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.